Hi guys, I'm super excited. Today is the launch day of Miranda Mathis' new product. She is from Multiplicity Crafts. She's got a YouTube channel. Also doing a giveaway today, and she's going to give away one of these incredible ink navigator kits. Now you haven't heard of this before because it's brand new. It's new to the market and you're not going to want to live without it. If you are a stamper, this is a stamper's dream. You'll have a chance to win one today. To be entered into the giveaway, you have to leave a comment on this channel and also on Miranda's channel, which is Multiplicity Crafts. I'll have her link in the description box. Leave a comment on over there. You can say anything you want, what you love about this product. Please subscribe to our channels as well. So right now this ink navigator kit is exclusively available at the Not Too Shabby shop. So I'm going to share how this kit works. So you're going to get these two pieces. You're going to get the stand. Okay, it's got little legs there for it to sit on. And then this is the grip. And you're going to attach this to your ink with the Velcro that it comes with. You're going to put the fuzzy side down onto your ink pad. And then the easiest way to get this off is to break it off by bending it to the side, because these Velcros really hold down tight. Now, do you ever have problems when you're stamping? You get inky fingers. If you're doing a lot of stamping, especially with your Misty here. So you would open up your stamp case, right? Now, when I'm stamping, this is what I do. I'm going to get out one of our Not Too Shabby stamps here. This is our holiday treat stamp from previous releases ago. I'm just going to stamp up, say, this little mug. We could do the pumpkin pie. And how about this drink? Okay, so what I normally do is I have my ink. I grab it. I stamp up my images, or I ink up my images. Now you have to twist your hand and put it down to the ground, right? And then stamp up your images. Then pick it up all awkward again, and then flip it over. You're inking up, and then you have to put it back down and awkwardly twist your arm, and then you're stamping again. Now, since that's so awkward, without me even thinking about it, this is what I've been doing. So I've been inking up my images, and I leave my case like this, and I just put it flat down like this. So that has helped, right, with the awkwardness. But by doing this, I get ink all over the rim of my lid there. And then when I pick it up or I go to open up my ink, I get always inky fingers. I always get ink on my cards. And I'm like, where did that come from? That's where it comes from. So Miranda has designed this to help solve those problems. So with her ink navigator kit, you're going to have this on here. You're going to put your inky lid to the side, away from your finger. See? Just by touching that lid, I get inky fingers. And not knowing it, then I start touching my card, and I ruin so many projects that way. So with her ink navigator kit, you're going to keep your ink pad down and rest it on this platform here. Okay, and now you have an easy grip to pick it up. Go ahead and stamp down. Your fingers are away from the ink. You don't have to twist your arm. You just simply place it back down on the rest. Do your stamping. Simply just pick it straight up. Do your stamping. And then put it straight down. Solves all those problems. Also, are you one of the stampers, you have your ink pad and you're always dropping it? This is going to help. So I'm always dropping my ink pad when I'm stamping like this. I fumble, it falls, it hits my card base. So I love this thing. Now these are made in small batches, so there's limited supply right now. So go grab yours right now. Don't wait for the giveaway. I want you to get yours now. If you do end up winning and you already purchased one, we will certainly give you the credit to go shopping and buy something else in the shop. Now the great thing about this is you can add the little Velcro strips to all your ink pads. And then you can just use one of these and then use them with all your ink pads. So if you have multiple colors and you want to use this with all your inks, you can perfectly do that. Okay, I'm going to ink up some more stamps. This is our Give Thanks stamp set. I'm going to ink up this cute couple. Okay, watch this baby in action. So this gives you the same control as if you were holding the ink pad itself. It's going to make stamping a lot faster, especially if you're mass producing images. It's really great if you like inking up your images more than once. I think it's a fantastic product, and I am happy to be selling this in my shop. It'll come like this, all packaged up neatly for you. It's lightweight. And to wash it off, all you have to do is run it under water to rinse off the ink, or you can use your stamp chamois. It'll just wipe right off. Of course, I would clean it off after every use if you want to keep it looking nice and clean. But if you don't care that it has ink all over it, by all means just let it be inky. So you could go ahead and rinse that off underwater and that will come clean. So we're giving away one of these to one lucky winner. Go ahead and leave us a comment on both of our videos. Hit that subscribe button, and we will be announcing the winner shortly. Hit that bell notification so you get notified when we upload our next video, so you can see when we are uploading the winner. You can also find Miranda on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and WordPress. All her social media is Multiplicity Crafts. This is also great if you have wrist problems, maybe carpal tunnel. This will definitely help with the stamping. You don't have to do that awkward twisting. It's just a really nice. Now, if this sells out, because I know it's going to sell out fast, you'll see put me on the wait list button there. Go ahead and press that, put your email in there. That way you'll get notified as soon as it comes back into stock. You'll be the first to be notified. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. And I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited about this brand new tool on the market. So thank you for shopping, guys. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Take care. Bye, guys.